Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea Fuss. I am a floral designer and a floral arranging instructor. And today I want to help you on your journey to becoming a florist. I talk to a lot of students who are on this journey, and I notice that they're normally in one of 4 phases. And I want to help you identify which phase you're in and which step is the next right step for you. So phase 1 is primarily when you are just dreaming about being a floral designer. You think it would be amazing to work with flowers every day. And this is great because you always do need that passion for flowers to get started with a floral career. But most likely you're lacking the knowledge around flower ID, flower mechanics, and conditioning flowers, and making sure that you know everything you need to do to keep the stems hydrated, which temperature, how to treat them before you start arranging with them. So if you go to the caption box below, I actually have a free download for you if you are in this phase, and that is how to keep your cut flowers fresh and to keep them fresh as long as possible. So you can download that in the description box below. It will ask for your email, but you can unsubscribe at any time. Okay, so phase 2 is when you've had a little bit of experience at home. Maybe you've taken a class, but you're really looking to round out any floral practice or experience you have with something more professional. So in this case, I really do recommend that you enroll in a professional program, or that you start making a flower arrangement every week on your own and learn as much as you can from free content like this on YouTube. I have a lot of free resources on my website, including one that I think will help you. If you are going to begin that journey into professional floral design, you will need your own floral wholesale license. And I have a whole workshop explaining how to do that, how to source flowers, whether you're in a rural area or an urban area, and the best strategy for sustainable sourcing. Okay, so you can download that and attend the workshop through the link in the description box below under phase 2. Okay, so phase 3, that's when you have had quite a bit of coursework experience. You've arranged at home. You can name, 90% of the flowers in a flower shop. This phase, most likely you are ready for some professional work, and it really does help to gain experience in the workplace, in a flower shop, at an event company, even if you're just freelancing for holidays. I've had a lot of students who say, oh, it's kind of hard to practice an installation at home, right? And so the best way to get that sort of experience is through work experience. So I have a template and everything to get you started on submitting your floral work so that you can work for a professional florist. And if you really want to gain that real life work experience, so click the link with the phase 3 in the description box. Okay, so maybe you have really completed most of these things. You've already done professional work. You've worked for a florist. I think a lot of you are actually in this phase 4 because I hear a lot of people talking about this, and I see a lot of comments on YouTube saying that you're working for a florist and maybe you're not quite happy in the workplace and you're sort of dreaming of going out on your own to have your own business, and you have quite a bit of knowledge and work experience, and now you need to develop your own style, your own portfolio, and start getting your own clients. So I have a checklist, which is how to become a florist, and most likely you've done the first page or so of that, but it'll be really helpful if you haven't already to download that checklist and see what is the next step you need to work on. if you need some further help, do feel free to reach out to me through my website and I can help you identify your next step. I can even do a little 20-minute call with you to get you started on the next step and where you need to be. And of course, I have my online classroom, my in-person flower school experiences, and my mentorship program that I'm happy to help you with. So please reach out if you do need assistance, and I hope that you enjoy these free resources, and I'm wishing you a lot of good luck on your journey.